Hi grade 6s. Today what we're going to do is we're going to just take a little time here to talk about percents. So what is a percent? It's basically just a ratio in which we're comparing a number to 100. So how much you would have if it was broken into 100 parts. So let's just illustrate that. If you got 17%, okay, so 17% of something is simply 17 out of 100. Okay, so you actually get 17 out of 100. So whenever you see that percentage sign, just remember percent means out of 100. So you got 17 out of 100. Well, what does that look like on a picture? Yeah, just try coloring in this hundreds chart. So here we go. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So if I color this in nicely, you can see 17% looks like this. This is what 17% looks like. Just a reminder, if you had something like 50%, that would mean you would have half. Half would be 50%. So a few things that you might want to just kind of realize there. So let's talk about this a little bit more. So you can take percentages and change them into ratios like we've been working on. So just remember, the key thing is here, percent means out of 100. So we can write this as a ratio. Doesn't matter if you write it as a fraction. And you can see it's 12 out of 100. Now when I say simplest terms, this would be like reducing a fraction. So if you have 12 over 100, you would start asking yourself, hey, what can you divide the top and bottom by to make this simpler, smaller numbers, so simpler terms. So you can see, oh yeah, both can be divided by 2. Okay, which would end up giving you 6 over 50. Well, you can say, oh, both are still even. We can divide the top and bottom by 2 again. And you can see you get 3 over 25. So 12 to 100 is the same in simplest terms as 3 to 25. Next one. Here's what we're trying to do. We're trying to write a ratio of 4 to 5 as a percent. Now here's the key idea. Percent means out of 100. So that's the key idea. So the question is, that 5, what would I need to multiply it by to get 100? And I hope this comes pretty quick. The answers to that is 20. So 5 times 20 gives us 100. So to keep this as an equivalent ratio, you need to multiply the 4 by 20. And if you do that, you end up realizing 4 times 20 is 80. So therefore, 4 to 5 is the same as 80 to 100. So therefore, the answer is 80%, because it's 80 out of 100. I hope this is enough to get you going. Have a good one, grade 6s.